Alright, today I'm gonna kind of showcase the effectiveness of my 22. I love to plink around with this thing, and I do it with a little bit more of a different setup than most guys. It's a 4x16x40 mil dot reticle, pretty standard for long distance shooting, and I'm accurate out to good ways with that scope on this 22. So right now we got a balloon at 100 yards. I'm gonna go cold bore on this one. Level this out here real quick. Alright, this is cold bore. Gonna dial it in. I need to go 4 up and 1 to the left. Alright, so this is the first shot, cold bore out of 22. Alright. Oh, I gotta focus at 100 yards. There we go. Alright, I'm just gonna squeeze. Ah, easy. All right, 300 paces. So it's probably actually a little tiny bit further, but we're just gonna call it 300 yards even. Four, up. Four to the left. So that'll give you an idea of how much bullet drop that is. It's 34 up and 4 to the left for 300 yards with my 22 long rifle. This is shot number 1. It was only one shot from the 22 at 100 yards. So it's still relatively a cold bore. And we're gonna try and squeeze this one off. See how it works. Stay focused on it. There. Alright. Oh, first try. Alright, so I adjusted my position. I'll show you real quick. I've moved 50 yards back in my yard. So that would be 350 paces. I've never, ever tried this before. But we're gonna try 39 up and still 4 to the left. There we go. Got it.